Welcome to this meditation channel. If you like my recordings, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps and I truly appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy this recording. Let's start by finding a comfortable posture. If you're sitting, let your back be straight and your body relaxed. You can also do this meditation laying down or standing, as long as you can keep the posture awake and relaxed at the same time. If you like, if it's comfortable for you, you can close your eyes, but you can also keep them open, just with a soft gaze, not focusing on anything too intensely. Whichever you prefer. And remember to follow my guidelines if they are comfortable to you. And feel free to focus on anything else or switch your position or take care of yourself as needed during this mindfulness practice. My instructions here are just suggestions. We can start by taking some deeper breaths. Allowing the body to fully relax. I invite you to follow your breathing for a little bit, or if you don't like to focus on your breathing, notice simply the sensations of your feet placed on the ground, or your hands on your lap, or by your sides. Quieting the mind and following whatever sensations you find most pleasurable, either the breath or the sensations in your feet or your hands. If you're like me, you might get distracted by the sounds or your own thoughts. It's not a problem. It's natural for us to get distracted. If it happens, we can just say, "Thank you, not now," and return to the breathing or to the sensations in our feet and our hands. Just taking a couple more breaths. And slowly scanning through the body. Let's start from the feet, just sensing all the sensations in the feet, moving up the legs, the lower legs, and the knees, feeling the sensations in the upper legs, feeling the seat and the belly, noticing any tension that there might be in the belly, and if possible, releasing that tension. If the lower belly is more relaxed, perhaps the breathing also comes more easily. And simply notice what's happening. There's no need to change the breathing or relax any part of your body if it's not possible. And the sounds from the outside environment may distract you again, and in that case, it's okay. Simply return to the sensations in your body. Moving along the back now, from the lower back, up the spine to the upper back, the shoulders, checking for sensations in the back area, and if possible, relaxing as well. And then scanning the front of the body, from the belly up to the stomach area, to the chest area, noticing the sensations there, and if possible, relaxing with each breath. And if any emotions or thoughts arise as well, we simply return to sensations in the body and allow the emotions and thoughts to simply dissolve or be there. There's no need to go and chase after them. Your mind might get distracted 1,000 times, and it's okay. As soon as you notice it, simply relax and come back to the sensations in the body. Now moving down the arms to the elbows, down the lower arms, all the way to the hands and the fingers. Relaxing all the arms, the hands and fingers as much as possible. Noticing now sensations in the throat, the neck, the jaw. If there's any tension, you might want to relax that if possible. Relaxing the face muscles and the forehead, and even the top of the head. Now breathing and sensing the entire body here in the present moment. Being grounded and relaxed to the extent it's possible for you now. And if any distractions come, simply saying thank you, not now, and returning to the breathing and the body sensations. Allowing yourself to rest there. When you're ready, you might start slowly return to wherever you are. Open your eyes if they were closed. Let the light in, wake you up a bit. Perhaps stretch and straighten your back a bit. And return to this place and to me. I hope you enjoyed this meditation with me today, and I'll see you another time for another meditation. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.